Hello everyone, my name is Aryan Monia from BSTM 1C. So today I will represent about France. We will explore its culture, history, food, places, and what make it a beautiful country.
Why France? Because it has a very rich history, delicious food, beautiful places, and a big influence on art, fashion, culture. In this presentation, we will learn basic facts about France, know its famous tourist spots and culture, appreciate their traditions and values, and be able to share information clearly using pictures. France is officially called the French Republic. Its capital is Paris, and they use the euro as their money. People from France are called French, and they speak the French language. So, France is in Western Europe. It has a long history starting from the Roman times, the Frankish Kingdom, and the French Revolution. In the time of Napoleon, these events helped shape modern Europe. France has many different landscapes. Its highest mount is Mont Blanc. The longest river is the Loire River. It also has mountain range like the Alps and the Pyrenees, and beautiful beaches, valleys, and countryside. France is the most visited country in the world because of its amazing places like Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, Palace of Versailles, French Riviera, and Mount Saint Michael. These places show France's art, lit- France is famous for its food like croissants, macarons, ratatouille, and different wines. It's also known for fashion, perfume, and crafts like lace making and pottery. Pottery. France has a strong influence in art and literature. Famous artists including Monet and Renoir, and writers like Victor Hugo. Their music and movies are also popular worldwide. France values liberty, equality, and fraternity. Family and education are also important to them. Some traditions including Bastille Day, Christmas markets, and wine festivals. France values. Did you know France is the most visited country in the world? The Louvre is the biggest art museum. France has the most Nobel Prizes in literature. In summary, France is a country full of beauty, history, art, and delicious food. It is unique because it makes traditions and modern style. Visiting France lets you experience elegance, culture, and amazing places.